All right, today we're going to look at the M410. Nicely tucked away in the gift box will be the M410 510BB manual. Various cables, the HM195, the OPC 1540, the hardware kit to mount the cable. Inside here is a radio along with the power cable and mounting screws. HM195 command mic, the body of the M410BB, OPC 1540, the DC power cable, the bulkhead mount kit for the microphone jack, which you have a cover for it when it's not in use, and then the remote mounting hardware for the body. And then we have the common manual for the M410BB and M510BB. The boxes are the same size, as well as the mounting hardware. So it makes the template for your bulkhead mount as well as where the radio can position on your flat surfaces. What we're going to do, use just a little bit of the cabling to connect the microphone. It has a keyed mark, the same with the connection into the body of the radio. And it will have a lock point that you can feel it snap into place. So what we'll look at next is the bulkhead mount kit. Bulkhead mount kit comes with the bracket for the microphone, the command mic to snap into, as well as the bulkhead mount. The bulkhead mount works nicely with the nylon net kit here. And what it allows you to do is everything lines up with the keyed spot. Nylon nut back down to tighten it and mount the hardware. And then when the boat's in storage, you've got your cap that will secure and keep the elements out of it. One last connection worth talking about is the black and yellow wire coming off the OPC 1540. This is for a remote speaker connection. So rather than it coming off the back of the radio, it's actually at the bulkhead where you can mount a speaker close to where the captain will be on the boat.